Little Chica Belmariano, oh mamen, is scary ang adulting kasi feeling ko. Nagpakatotoo ang kapamilya actress, singer na si Belmariano sa pagsagot tungkol sa usaping adulting at pressure sa pagharap sa mga pagsubok ng buhay. Game na, nag-share si Bel ng kanyang journey bilang isa ng adult ngayon at kung paano niya pinaninindigan ang kanyang life choices. Scary and adulting kasi feeling ko I'm at that stage na I should take life seriously but at the same time have fun. And Bell sa panayam ng Oh My God ni Ganyel Krishnan. And there's a pressure na parang, oh my God, where will this direction take me? May pressure na on that stage na that I have to work hard and do my best and strive since I'm at the age pero have to enjoy and take a step back sometimes just to have a balance sa ad pa ng actress. Tanggap din ang ka-love team ni Donnie Pangilinan na hindi natatapos sa mga challenges na kailangan niyang harapin sa mundo ng showbiz. I feel like it never ends naman. You are paving your way na parang there's always their fear in me if I fall. Like, paano kung mag-fail ito? And may takot talaga na parang no one is perfect na parang natatakot paano if hindi mag-work ito. Like, let's say if I'm portraying a role, what if hindi maayos yung pagkakagawa ko, say pa ni Bella sa nasabing interview. Pero by the end, you have to remind yourself na why did you do this? And more than takot na pangungunahan ka, dapat mas maging motivation mo siya to try harder, dagdag ba ng dalaga. Like in every journey, you will encounter a lot of failures in being in front of the camera. People think that you're okay, you're smiling, you're all good. But at the end of the day, we are also just humans. We also go through things. Just remind yourself that it's okay to fall, but don't fall long in that state. Huwag mong tambayan and remember na you can rise above those things na nadadaba kami, tao kasi kami, but we'll do our best to rise up again, dugtong ni Bell. Wish ng actress na magkaroon din ng legacy sa industriya. Since I'm an ate being in the industry, I obviously want to put something good out there. I wanna be a good role model. Parang every time I'm at the state, parang I always question myself na if I'm doing the right thing, tama ba to? And it's the best but hardest question. Help as much as I can. Sa akin naman, I wanna help. Anya.